Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. So we're going to roll the pipe cleaner on this pen. You can take a stick in place of this. Now remove the pipe cleaner and tie it using this green color of pipe cleaner. Here we're going to make the flower. So open all the petals and adjust it like we're doing here. Twist all of them and give this a beautiful shape. Now we are going to roll this brown color of pipe cleaner. Make a circle and using hot glue gun paste it on the top of the flower. Using this floral tape, we are going to cover the ends. Now we're going to make the leaves. So take another piece of pipe cleaner and hold them together. Now we're going to twist all the petals in a zigzag way and give it a shape of leaf. Again, we're going to tie it at the end. Let's combine all of them on the green stick. So we're going to put flowers and leaves together and roll them together using floral tape like we're doing here and make a flower stick, and look, it is ready. Here we're going to take these pipe cleaners and cut the rest of the part. You can see the measurement here. We're going to make small pieces of all of them. After this, we're going to fold them into half and make more such petals like this. After this, on this green stick, we're going to roll the tissue paper and we are going to cover it as well using this green color of floral tape. Now we are going to paste all the flower petals on the top of the stick. So we are using this hot glue gun. Apply it around the stick. After this, we're going to paste all these purple color of petal one after another. Look how we're doing here in this video, and cover the entire stick one after another, and look, it's ready. Let's make the leaves now. So take another piece of green pipe cleaner, fold them into half and then tie a knot. Finally, we're going to put all of them on the green stick. So cover them using floral tape, and look, it's ready. Now adjust all the petals. We're going to pull them down, and look, it is ready. You can make more such flower sticks for home decoration. Look how pretty these are looking. So you can try them at home as well. You can see the measurement on the screen. So we're going to take this pink color of pipe cleaner, fold it into half. Now again overlap it like we're doing here. Remove it from the center part and repeat the same process. We're going to make the flower petals here. So curl them and look, it's ready. After this, we're going to make 6 such flower petals. You can also apply some color. We are using this palette here and apply it using a brush. Look, it's ready. After this, we're going to combine all the petals. So take a green color of roller tape and a green stick as well. Look how we are going to combine all the flower petal one after another and roll it using this floral tape. So we're going to spin it like this and make the flower, and look, it's ready. Let's make the leaves now. So take this green color of pipe cleaner, hold it from the top and bottom and make the leaf, and put it on the green stick as well. We are going to combine it using this floral tape. Look how we are spinning it over the stick, and look, your flower stick is ready. How pretty these are looking. You can make more such flowers like this. We are going to join 2 yellow color of pipe cleaners together and roll it on the top of the pen. Now squeeze it and remove the pen. Now we are going to tie a knot using this green color of pipe cleaner. So put it inside the ring and hold it, pull it tightly and tie a knot, and look, your flower is ready. Now roll it using floral tape. Adjust the petals and look, it's ready. Now we are going to make the leaves as well. So cut 3 pipe cleaners and then we are going to roll them like this, twist it, and look, it's ready. Now we are going to put all the flowers and leaves together on the green stick. So put them one after another and cover them using this green color of floral tape, and look, your beautiful flower stick is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.